Picture yourself in the heart of St. Petersburg, Florida. You'll find a tranquil garden oasis teeming with life, offering a serene escape from it all.
Yeah, okay, so St. Pete does have the nicest beaches in America, but did you know that they had unique and one-of-a-kind places you can check out just like this one? It was once just a mud pit, a sinkhole, hence the name Sunken Gardens. Well now, check this out. It's a place where plants and wildlife lavish here, right here in the middle.
But how did this all get here?
Some big ass fish.
I did Animal Planet, Discovery Channel, National Geographic, done a lot of media over the years. Really enjoy doing that. So Sunken Gardens has been here a little over 100 years. George Turner was the original owner that drained this muck out of the sinkhole and started planting all these wonderful plants. And he started planting fruit trees, and then in the 30s he opened it up to the public, and it became one of those roadside attractions that is very well known in the state of Florida and across the country. The city of St. Pete bought it in 2000, and so it's been run by the city since 2000, and it's one of those places that you can come over and over again, and it's like you've been here for the first time. Yeah, so the gardens has always been a botanical gardens, but there's been many different components to it. It is attached to a building that's historically known here in St. Pete. It was originally the Coca-Cola plant. And in the 40s and 50s, it became one of the largest markets in the city of St. Pete. The rest of the gardens is really only about 4.5 acres. It feels like it's 30 because of the way the paths are. But the way the paths meander through here, it feels like you're just going on and on through this lush tropical paradise right in the middle of St. Pete. So we have plants from all over the world. They're tropical, some semi-tropical. They're things that a lot of people have planted probably in their home in potted plants. We have fruit trees, we have papayas, bananas, and we have mangoes, pineapples. Folks love coming here from all over the country to have their venues, their weddings. And yeah, right over there, and then and watch behind you. They sometimes come up behind you. So these are Chilean flamingos. They were born at a zoological institution out west, and the gardens acquired most of them about 7 years ago. 2 of them have been here since the early 80s. They were raised by people, so they're very accustomed. And now we come in with them and interact and do enrichment and stuff with them all the time.
It feels like I can reach my hand out now if this bird takes me in here. Look at that fish. I touched a flamingo. That's my ring. You can't have my ring. Feels weird. It's like a big slob.
And every time I walk through the gardens, I'll sometimes just discover something new that I haven't seen or I've forgotten about. It's so much here. Before you go is a tree that was only planted about 10 years ago. And you can see right through these palms, the trunk of it. And it's a rainbow eucalyptus from Australia. And when that tree was planted, it was only about 8 feet tall, and it's probably pushing close to 100 feet now. But the trunk on it is it's called a rainbow eucalyptus for a reason. Yeah, so we also have a handful of live oaks here in Sunken Gardens, and this is a live oak. It's probably around 300 to 400 years old, and it's one of the larger specimens we have here at the gardens.
These are gigantic bamboo trees.
Yeah, this is aspen bamboo. These are traveler palms. What's crazy about that bamboo, the aspen bamboo, it grows very fast. It can grow 6 to 8 inches a day. Woo. On our rainy season.
My mom will go sick in here.
And actually, this is one of the top photo op areas in the gardens, and it's not tropical at all. It's much different than the rest of the gardens. This is our cactus garden. The brides and the grooms love getting photos here.
So you asked me what this is. Is this a pineapple plant?
No, agave or tequila.
I was close.
This is really a unique place because St. Pete is on a peninsula and it has this microclimate. You have the Gulf of Mexico on one side, Tampa Bay on the other side. So we stay a little warmer in the winter and we stay a little cooler in the summer. And that's why all this stuff does so well.
Back in the day when Sunken Gardens first opened, this was the original entrance. Now it's the History Center. You can go inside and learn everything there is to know about Sunken Gardens.